plant is sad because there is not much sun nor water in this place. And plants need that to feed themselves.
Ay, poor plant.
I know, right? Isn't it incredible how plants can feed themselves without cookies and hamburgers like you do and all of us humans do?
What?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah, it is true. I am telling you, it is a process called photosynthesis.
For the what?
Photosynthesis. Photo is a suffix that means light. And well, as the name says, photosynthesis happens with light. It's what plants use to feed themselves. They take carbon dioxide from the environment and sunlight and water, and they produce sugars and oxygen.
Oh, but the plant is without water and without sun.
Well, that is why the plant is sad. If you were to take it to a sunnier and more humid place, the plant would be happier, to put it somehow.
Oh, let's take her to a place with more sun.
Yes, that is it, Debbie.
Why the plant is smiling?
Because as you can see, there is more sun right now than there was before. So that's why the plant is happier. Also, it rained a little.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Do you like plants?
No, I hate plants.
Well, you know what? You should not hate them at all. You know why?
Why?
Because plants help you and all humans beings be alive. They provide us with oxygen. Oxygen is what you breathe, and you breathe out carbon dioxide, which is what they breathe in somehow.
But the plants are dumb.
No, they are not. They maintain you alive.
What about the process of photosynthesis that you tell me?
Well, it's not only photosynthesis why they are useful, but also they help us with certain beverages such as the beer. You know what fermentation is?
No, what is that?
Well, fermentation is a process in which plants take lactic acid and turn it into something else. That gives the beer and the cheese and yogurt and other things that particular flavor it has.
Ah, so every product that we eat have fermentation?
No, not every product, but many of them. For example, when you eat cereal for breakfast, you are consuming a fermented product. Isn't that amazing?
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, little
I
Debbie.
came to learn lesson that you told me.
Such a big, pleasing surprise. I'm glad you are here. Okay, so what questions do you have for photosynthesis? Because last time we talked a lot, and you seem to be having a lot of fun, but also a lot of questions. So can you tell me some of those right now?
Yes, teacher. I don't know what is ATP and its function. Can you explain me?
Sure thing. Well, first of all, I have here one big book that is also very useful. So I am going to look for the definition and then some of the functions. Okay, you up for that?
Yes.
Great. First, ATP you said, right, little Debbie?
Yes, ATP.
Okay, let's look for the A. Okay, allergy amino acid. Oh, ATP. ATP synthase, is that what you mean?
Yes.
Great. It says, cluster of proteins that span the cell membrane and allow hydrogen ions to pass through. You know what that means?
Not really.
Not really, right? So let's go to page 237. Almost there, be patient. Great, Debbie. Now, look at this picture over here. You see, here is the ATP.
Hi, Miss. Hi, Lise. How are you? Fine, thank you. And you? Fine. Well, I have a question, Miss. What does ATP mean? ATP? That's a good question. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. It contains adenose, ribose, and triphosphate. You know what is carbon? No, I don't know, Miss. ATP is the main source of energy. You know that? No, I didn't know. ATP Also, fermentation are good topics about this book. If you want to learn more about it, I will explain you. Thank you, Miss. Miss, also I have a question in the topic of fermentation. How do organisms generate energy when oxygen is not available? Oh, well, that's a good question, Ilse. In the absence of oxygen, fermentation releases energy from the food and molecules of ATP. That's amazing. Now that I know what is ATP, I can understand perfectly what is fermentation. Oh, that's good, Ilse. So you're ready for your exam next Friday? Yes, I'm ready. Thank you so much, Miss. You're welcome. Miss, I have another question I almost forgot. How does the body produce ATP during different stages of exercise? Oh, well, relax, Ilse. You're not... I almost forgot. For example, the question you could tell me is what about exercise and ATP? For sure, with burst of energy, the body uses ATP already in muscles as well as ATP made by lactic acid. For exercise longer than about 90 seconds, cellular respiration is the only way to continue generating the supply of ATP. Okay, now I think I get it. Thank you so much again, Miss. Do you have another question about ATP? I know you have, so let me... Okay, yes, I was afraid to ask. Thank you so much, Miss. Well, Miss, also, my other question is that cheese is actually made with bacteria? That's disgusting. No, you see. Are bacteria that can make you disease or something bad? Bacteria are also used in this process of fermentation. Fermentation is used in the process to make wine, beer, cheese, yogurt. Oh, I didn't know that. That's amazing. How can a bacteria make that? It's just awesome. Well, also I have a question about what is glycolysis in the process of cellular respiration. Oh. What happens during the process of glycolysis is that during this process, one molecule of glucose and 6 of carbon compound are transformed into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Do you know what is pyruvic acid? I don't know. Cellular respiration have a very useful compound. It's called pyruvic acid. It is essential to this process, okay? You need to learn it. Okay, thank you so much, Miss. This has been so helpful to me. Now I think I will get 100 in my test. I hope so, Ilse. Thank you, Miss. Bye. Bye.